Now featuring 17-inch wheels and a lower seat height, along with a revised engine, the 2022 Indian FTR has been redesigned directly from rider feedback. Hi, my name's Jeff Leisk, and today we'll be testing out the highly acclaimed and anticipated Indian FTR 2022 model. Heavily influenced by Indian's racing history, the FTR inherits their flat tracker legacy, reimagined for street use. Featuring a blacked out 1203cc V-twin engine, the FTR features 120 horsepower and 120 newton meters of torque. For 2022, the engine has been retuned for better cold start performance and delivers a more predictable throttle response. To keep the engine cool in traffic, the FTR has rear cylinder deactivation, which helps mitigate the amount of heat being transferred to the rider at idle. The big change for 2022 is from a 19-inch wheel down to 17 inches. This has really transformed the handling of the bike. The seat height has come down 35 millimeters from the previous models down to 780 mils. That's making this bike much more accessible for all riders. The base model FTR features an analog speedo. It has a small digital readout where you can check what gear you're in, and also you've got your fuel gauge running across the top of the digital display here.